Today I'm going to be showing how to make jalapeno cheddar soup, but I think I should give a warning or a disclaimer. This is not the soup that you make for your neighbor when Mr. Jorgensen is recovering from surgery, for example, or when the Brown family has just had a new baby and you're making a meal for them. This would be a very bad idea. This soup is hot. If you're into hot stuff, you're gonna love it. I have this once or twice a week. It's really good, it's really simple, but it's not for the faint of heart. Maybe if Mrs. Brown wants to have her baby and you need something to push her into labor, maybe this is the one for that, but use this one wisely. Our first step is to cut up the jalapenos. We're going to throw the seeds away when we're done with this. Some folks recommend doing this with rubber gloves. You certainly want to wash your hands after doing this and wash them really well, especially if you're going to be putting in contacts. Okay, the next step is going to be cooking the jalapenos. Teeny bit of oil. I suppose I should warn you that this is also a way to make homemade pepper spray, essentially. As you saute hot peppers, it releases essentially the same chemical that's in pepper spray, and anybody who's inside the kitchen will complain about it if they're not used to it. Something that'll help the jalapenos cook a little quicker. Add some water. Trap it under a lid. You want to cook until the peppers are soft, and also it's nice to have some blackening around the edges. If you have an air fryer, that works nicely as well. 7 or 8 minutes in an air fryer and you're good to go. Okay. I'm going to call that done and remove it from the heat. So you want to add a couple of cups of vegetable stock. I'm going to make this in a Blendtec. You can also do it on a stovetop. I would blend up the peppers. And about a teaspoon of pepper just to spice it up a little bit. Now we put it on the Blendtec. The Blendtec's got a 3 horsepower motor, and so not only does it do a pretty good job blending it, it heats it as well. Put it on full speed for about 90 seconds. And that's all there is to it. Enjoy.